Hello everyone, this is Elizabeth Brundage, media journalist. We lost our wonderful Daphne Cat. She died on Sunday, November the 6th, 2023. Daphne Cat had a long battle with intestinal lymphatic cancer from April to November 2023 this year. From April to November 2023, I took Daphne every week to Cheshire Cat Hospital in Westminster, Colorado for her subcutaneous fluids and a monthly steroid Dexdepo shot to help battle the cancer. You wanted to see the out, right, Daphne? Good girl, Daphne, good girl. Do you want some grassy? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Do you want to go back in? But maybe you might like to try some grass? Huh? No? You want to go back in? All right. All right. We'll take you back inside. Oh yeah, still on more people coming around. That's scary enough as it is. Isn't that, Daphne? Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. All right, I'll get you out of that harness. Daphne Cat also suffered from kidney stones, and she received daily potassium. Daphne Cat made it to her 14th birthday on October the 31st, Halloween 2023. Daphne Weather Cat, you will be with us always. We would like to thank Cheshire Cat Hospital Westminster, Colorado, veterinarians Dr. Jill, Dr. Mary, veterinarian technicians, the nurses, Kellar and Elizabeth, receptionist Joni and Lisa, for all their medical and emotional support for Daphne Cat and our family, Elizabeth and Chuck.